The emergency broadcast system has been activated by the White House. This is not a drill. Please stand by. The following message has been broadcast by WMBC on behalf of the United States government and the CIA. Around 8 a.m. today, an unidentified man walked into CIA headquarters in Fairfax in Virginia with a rifle and went on a killing spree in the building. There are no casualties yet. The incident is now ongoing. All stations are to interrupt their programming. This is an emergency action notification. The following message has been broadcast by WMBC on behalf of the United States government and the CIA. The situation at CIA headquarters in Fairfax, Virginia is over, but the suspect escaped. Stand by. We are returning to normal programming at this time.